What's that?
A train.
What kind of train?
Caboose.
That's an engine.
Again.
Engine.
Cheese.
Why don't you show, where's the caboose at, Trent?
Right there.
Well, go get it for me.
No.
Why not?
Actually, sex.
Well, that's the cord. Now leave that alone, Trent. No, 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 no.
Sex.
Go over there and get the caboose. Show me the caboose, Trent.
No, I get this thing.
That's not the caboose. What color is that train, Trent? Okay, you can dance. Can I have that?
You're mine.
All right. Where's the caboose at, Trent?
No, good.
You gonna put it on the track?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a good idea.
It's hard to blush.
Mm-hmm.
A school bus.
Yeah.
A school bus.
School bus.
Yeah, a school
You think that's a school bus?
It's a big school bus.
That's a red train.
No, red. It's mommy train.
Yeah.
It's mommy train. It's mommy train. It's a mommy train.
Mommy train.
Train.
Okay.
Mommy train.
Yeah.
What's that?
What's that?
It's called caboose.
The caboose?
Yeah.
Right.
Tommy, sex. Stars.
Okay. Hey, Trent. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.